guys, we are here again at my father's rice fields. We visited here again. It's afternoon here na, it's 5 p.m. My father is here. He's checking on his rice fields. And my brother is here also. He's getting the weeds. So yeah. Let's go, let's go. He bring his speaker here. It's pretty. The sun is still up. So that's my brother over there getting the weeds, and my father, that one, the white shirt, that's my father. So the sun's still up. It's really pretty here. It's really pretty when it's sunny. Last time when I came here, it's gloomy. It's raining. I'm with my niece. My little niece. Kadto na! Let's go, everyone. So yeah, we are here again at my father's rice fields, not far from our house. Yeah. So this is the rice. This is where the rice came from, this one. So my father is getting the weeds like this. So when it's get ready to harvest, no more weeds na. Like that. Saan? In Waray-Waray, we call it subnit. We call it subnit in Waray-Waray. So that's my father. He's checking on his rice field here. Yes, it's growing. In summer, they gonna harvest it. It's ready for harvest for in summer, like that. The sun still up. It's 5 p.m. na. So that's my brother. He bring the speaker. That's my father. He's cleaning the way. Ay, dida! Kami gaharas. Siya! Kamu ni singag. My father is the owner of this rice field, but not the land. Oh no! Not the land. The moon. It's really pretty when it's sunny. So we decided to go here to visit, even though there is not my rice fields. So that's all for today's video. I'm just visited here for today. So we're getting home now. My father's still working there. Kaya nakikita eh. So we're going home now. I need to I need to do a house chores for 2 nights. So that's all for today's video, everyone. I hope you like and subscribe this channel. So yeah, we're good. Going home now. So my brother going home now already. And my father still working there, as you can see. Thank you so much, everyone.